You might know this by now, but managing a workforce can sometimes feel, well, let's just say, unique and slightly chaotic. That's where workforce management comes in, aka WFM. WFM is about having the right people and the right channel at the right time, so they can take care of your customers, hit your service level targets and future goals, and help track employees' daily performances. Simply put, think reduced overstaffing costs, improved productivity, and enhanced employee satisfaction, resulting in smoother operations and fewer manic Mondays. Tell me that doesn't sound good. Each workforce is different, you might say. True, but there are some essential components of workforce management, like AI-powered forecasting, automatic scheduling, real-time activity monitoring, and performance reporting. Sounds simple enough. However, mastering workforce management isn't always a walk in the park. It can have its fair share of office shenanigans. So here are some common challenges and ways to address them. Number one, visibility. Specifically into future staffing needs and high overtime costs. WFM tools enable more effective resource planning with AI-powered workload forecasting, which helps avoid staffing inefficiencies and ultimately reduces overhead. Number two, time-consuming scheduling. Shift planning and scheduling can take up a ton of time, not to mention the human error that can occur while building out these manually. The good news, software can now automate this for you. Number three, increasing productivity. Support teams often struggle to accurately understand agent attendance, adherence to schedules, and how agents generally spend their time. Agent performance reporting and real-time visibility into team activities helps identify ways to swiftly improve productivity. Number four is retention. Happy and motivated employees is key to reducing turnover. With WFM, agents feel empowered and productive. For instance, having clear and detailed schedules helps agents kickstart their day with confidence and clarity, instead of staring into their coffee in the morning, wondering what they should be doing. So, for organizations managing teams in Zendesk, Zendesk offers AI-powered workforce management that automatically schedules your agents to meet AI forecasted needs, provide historical and real-time visibility into team performance, ultimately helping teams manage costs and boost productivity. It's easy to use and quick to implement. What more could you ask for? If you're interested in learning more, which you probably are since you're still watching this video, click the link for more information. And once again, thanks for watching.